In this video, we'll be making a calculator using if-else statements as a mini project for your previous. You guys did if and else statements in the previous video. So in this video, we'll be making a hands-on project, basically a calculator. So let's start. So first of all, what we'll do is we need an option to give. We need to give the user an option, as we need to ask him which operation does he want to perform. So we'll make a variable over here and we'll name it option, and by default we'll keep it 0. So we'll say enter the operation. Yes, and yes. Now we store it in the option. Now we'll be performing 4 options. We'll be doing addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So we'll print we'll print this we'll say press 1 for addition, and then we say press 2 for subtraction. I forgot the spellings. Subtraction, yes, sorry, I thought it's subtraction. Okay, and press 3 for multiplication, and finally press 4 for division. And enter option. Now if we run this, and so if you see that it's asking the operation, enter the operation, press 1 for addition. Okay, and if we press 1, so it ends basically because we haven't done anything else. And if let's start if the option is equal to 0, but first let us take the numbers from the user. Okay, we'll say number 1 and number 2. Okay, let's ask the user to enter the 2 numbers. We'll say enter first number and can copy this and paste it. Yes, now we can add if-else statements. Now if the user enters 0, let's keep it 1 by default, but it doesn't matter, still the user will have to enter it. He will have to enter something, so basically there's no point in keeping it default, I think. So if option is equal to 1, then we simply print, or what we can do is wait, yes, make a variable of sum, and we can keep it equal to num1 plus num2, and we can print it. Sum is, we can just do this, sum, and next line. Now else if the user entered 2, we can make a true or subtraction. Okay, subtraction is equal to num2 minus num1, and we can print the difference, and difference is subtraction. Okay, so we basically just copy this, and else if the option is 3, can multiplication, yes, product is equal to num1 multiplied by num2, and we'll print product, and we'll just print the product. And again, if we print the fourth operation, the fourth operation will be division, so quotient num1 divided by num2, and yes, we can write it quotient. Now else we can do invalid option. If we compile this and if we run this, now let's enter, we want to perform multiplication, so I selected the third option, and my first number that I want to multiply is 2, and the second number is 4, so the product is 8. Okay, similarly if I do 1 and the first number I want is 2 and second number I want is 6, so sum is 8. Okay, and if I enter something else other than 1 2 3 or 4, if I enter 0, it says first number, okay, but the option is invalid. So what we can do is it works basically, you can add another option that if it's not 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, if it's not 1, it's not from them. You can basically tell the computer, you can basically print that it's an invalid number. There are multiple ways to do it. You can add a while statement, and which we will cover in the future, and yes, so basically this was the basic calculator. No need to go into much advanced things right now, and do subscribe.